Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Alam nyo ba? So guys, meron na naman tayong itatakal na video ngayong araw na ito. At ito ay galing kay First Defense PH. Ang sabi nga niya dito, Philippines, welcome. Good news with schedule acceptance of 2 new LPD ships for Philippine Navy. Wow! Nanalapit na talaga na ma-deliver na to sa atin yung mga dagdag na LPD natin, so magiging 4 na. So gaya nga ng sabi ko, sana yung 2 LPD na paparating, wala pa ako nababalitaan kung nung ipapangalan sa kanila, di ba? Meron na ba? Comment down below guys kung alam nyo. Yun nga, gaya ng sabi ko, sana yung 2 LPD na parating, sana may armaments na. Okay? Dapat kahit na paano may automelara saka mga automatic machine guns. Di ba? Yun lang naman ang natin ang hinangad natin Di ba? Para madepensahan nga ang kanyang sarili. Maski mga decoy launcher din, di ba? Para sa mga missile and drones and etc. Di ba? Sana malagyan. Kasi, ayun sabi ko, maraming kagamitan na pwedeng ilagay dyan. Maraming personnel natin na military pwedeng nakasakay dyan. At mga ibang kagamitan pa, like mga 2 helicopter, di ba? Mahirap naman kung hindi niya madidepensahan yung sarili niya kapag may dumating na missile sa kanya, di ba? Hindi lahat yun, wasak na. Di ba? Kaya kailangan din talaga na meron silang pang-depensa, di ba? Kaya napanood ko rin, di ba, na merong, kung napanood nyo yung aking vlog nung regarding sa LPD, meron na pwedeng gawing itong hospital ship, di ba? Kasi tagal na natin may hospital ship, parang sa panahon pa ata ni Marcos Sr., if I'm not mistaken, di ba? Kaya naman na pwedeng gawin itong hospital ship, mas maganda. Kasi hindi na naman din mga personnel natin ang pwedeng gumamit. Di ba? Pwedeng kung may yung mga sakuna. Di ba? Mapadpad yung barko na yun sa ating mga kababayan. Pwedeng gamitin yan. Para pang aid. Di ba? O mga missions nila. Di ba? Health missions nila para matugunan din ang ating mga kababayan na may karamdaman, di ba? Pwede matulungan sa pamamagitan ng hospital ship. Medyo sinisipot kasi ako Kaya parang ngongo ako ngayon Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako sinisipot. So tara, panoorin na natin.
The Philippine Navy, AFP, will receive the first of 2 Tarlac landing platform docks, LPDs, next year. The delivery is part of the LPD acquisition project under the Horizon 2 modernization program, which is designed to enhance the country's naval capabilities in projecting power and conducting humanitarian missions. Under the project...
Wait lang mga idol.
Sa ating
Big Shopee na yan. Bigla na lang lumilitaw. Kakainis. Ito na ulit. Panoorin na natin ulit.
Under the project, the Philippine Navy has allocated PHP 5.6 billion for the 2 upgraded LPDs. Designed to support a variety of operations, including the transportation of troops and equipment, the Tarlac-class LPDs are expected to enhance the AFP's independence and strategic flexibility. The Horizon 2 project is part of the Philippine government's long-term military modernization plan to strengthen the country's defense and deterrence capabilities, especially in the face of increasingly complex maritime threats. The modernization is a continuation of Horizon 1 project which focused on the acquisition of basic military equipment, while Horizon 2 focuses on the acquisition of more advanced weapon systems, including warships and amphibious ships such as LPDs. The steel cutting for the first LPD was conducted more than a year ago, marking a significant step in the construction of the vessel. If the process at PT PAL, which is responsible for building the ship,
Sana lagyan ng Automelara talaga, promise. Diba? Saka yung Tarlac class natin, saka yung Davao del Sur natin na luma, sana lagyan din. Kasi may nakaabang naman dun eh, na pwedeng lagyan ng mga ng Automelara eh. Diba, na 76mm na ganyan. Diba? Sana malagyan talaga. Kung pinakita yan sana, meron.
ships go smoothly, it should be time for sea trials.
This is the largest modified excavator in the
My goodness, ang daming nilagay na patalastas ah. Wait lang po. Ay, nagbabalik. Daming patalastas.
Smoothly, it should be time for sea trials. These trials are important to ensure that all systems and equipment are functioning properly before the ships are officially handed over to the
Yan o. Yung Automelara. Ilan ba? Ng ibang armaments. Yung sa taas, pwede lagyan ng ano yun, mga decoy launcher, mga automatic machine guns, secondary guns. Diba? Pwede yun eh. Kasi malaki naman yung nasa taas niya.
Philippine Navy. The Philippine Navy will enhance its amphibious capabilities by acquiring
Sana may ganyan nga. Sana yan. Yan, yung mga remote turret. Yan. Sana meron din doon sa harap. Dalawa. Hindi lang dyan sa likod. Para apat. Side to side. Diba? Kasi kailangan nila yan para protection din sa kanila yan eh. Di ba? Mayroon naman wala. At yung mga luma nating, hindi man luma, pero yung mga dati nating mga LPD, lagyan din ng ganyan.
two new 124-meter landing platform docks, LPDs. These ships, built by Indonesian shipbuilder PT PAL, mark an evolution of the previous Tarlac class and are part of the Horizon 2 phase of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP, modernization program. The new LPDs are designed to meet the growing operational needs of the Philippine Navy. These ships are ready to play a vital role in a variety of maritime operations, from humanitarian assistance and disaster response, HADR, to military engagements. The steel cutting ceremony for the first ship took place on August 10, 2023, at PTPAL's facility in Surabaya, Indonesia, marking the start of construction. The second ship followed on January 22, 2024. Both ships are expected to be delivered in 2025. The receipt of the Tarlac LPD is expected to not only strengthen the Philippine Navy fleet but also enhance its humanitarian assistance and disaster response capacity.
Correct.
The LPD can be used to support rescue operations, aid distribution, and maritime security operations in areas prone to conflict or natural disasters. The Tarlac-class LPDs are upgraded ships designed to meet the tactical needs of the Philippine Navy in supporting amphibious landing operations.
Correct.
According to reports, the ships are manufactured by PT PAL, Perusahaan Terbatas Pembangunan Armada Laut, located in Indonesia. The ships are expected to be equipped with various advanced facilities that allow them to carry out various types of missions, be it for military or humanitarian operations. The design of the new LPD features significant improvements over the Tarlac class. The ships are designed to be armed with an Automelara Super Rapid 76mm main gun, two Aselsan Smash 30mm secondary guns, and provision for the Rheinmetall Oerlikon Millennium Cannon or the Aselsan Gokdanes Close-in weapon system.
Nice.
In addition, they will carry 8 manually operated 12.7mm heavy machine guns.
Well,
PTP system. In addition, they will carry 8 manually operated 12.7mm heavy machine guns.
8. Okay na rin yun.
PTPAL's proposal confirms that the weapon system
Okay na rin yun, di ba? At least may kahit manually yan. Ang importante, meron tayong armaments sa ganyang barko, di ba? Alam ko meron naman din ang ating Tarlac klase, mga manually, di ba? Pero sana nga mag-upgrade pa yun, lalo. I-upgrade pa. Para yung pare-pare si mga LPD natin, di ba?
systems will be installed by the Philippine Navy post-delivery, ensuring the ships are fully equipped for their intended role. The proposal confirms that the weapon systems will be installed by the Philippine Navy post-delivery, ensuring the ships are fully equipped for their intended role.
Okay.
Aviation facilities on the new LPDs have also been customized.
So, kailangan pa rin natin ng additional amphibious, tank. Diba? Kasi alam ko, konti lang ang amphibious tank natin. Kung may dadagdagan yun, kailangan madagdagan din yun. At another Agusta helicopter pa. Diba? O kaya Seahawk na kalinya ng Black Hawk. Kung ano man ang pwede. So yan ang pwede nating idagdag talaga dyan. At nararapat na ilagay din talaga dyan. Diba?
To meet the evolving requirements of the Philippine Navy. Originally designed to accommodate 2 medium-sized helicopters, 10 tons, on the flight deck and 1 in the hangar, the design was revised to accommodate 1 medium helicopter in the hangar and 2 on the flight deck. Each Tarlac-class LPD can carry a large number of troops, combat vehicles, and logistics equipment, and is equipped with a docking system that can support efficient amphibious landings. With a length of about 120 meters and a width of 21 meters, the ship is capable of carrying about 300 to 500 personnel and several units of military vehicles, including tanks and military trucks. In addition, the ship also has a helipad to support flight operations, strengthening its capabilities in various types of multi-role operations. The ship is also equipped with modern navigation and communication systems, as well as strong anti-attack protection. With these systems, the Tarlac LPD can operate in waters with high threats, especially in strategic maritime areas such as the South China Sea. With the presence of this latest LPD, the Philippine Navy is expected to be more effective in carrying out missions on the high seas. In addition, the procurement of this modern combat equipment is also part of a larger effort to enhance national defense and ensure maritime security in the Southeast Asian region. The success of this project will be a major step for the Philippine Navy, as well as demonstrating the ability of the domestic defense industry to meet military needs. Once again, hopefully the construction and testing of the LPD will go smoothly so that the Philippine Navy can immediately utilize the presence of this ship at sea.
Correct. Diba? Ayos na ayos yan, di ba? Hindi na tayo makapaghintay kasi totoo to eh. Di ba? Totoo to. Na meron tayong parating. Ginagawa na, di ba? Kahit na 2025 to yun, malapit na 2025 ba? Hihintayin na lang na talaga natin itong dumating at itong dalawang to ay darating sa 2025. Nakakasabik. Nakakasabik. Tayo pa yung nananabik, di ba? Kasi at least, di ba, nagdag talaga sa ating Philippine Navy yan. Malaking boost niyan para sa ating mga personnel. Yun yan, meron na namang dagdag na barko. Brand new. Yun, di ba? Yun ang maganda. Di ba? Kaya, yan tayo nagkakaroon ng boost ng ating moral. Dahil nga, sana yun nga, in the future, katulad tayo ng Indonesia, na tayo nang gumagawa ng mga ganitong barko. At mapalevel tayo sa Indonesia na mayroong kakayahan na gumawa ng sarili nilang mga Navy ships, di ba? Sana in the future, magawa din natin yan. Diba? Sige, abang-abangan na lang natin ulit ang update regarding sa ating dalawang LPD, mga idolo. So maraming salamat kay First Defense PH sa kanyang video. So lalagay ko sa description down below full video na to pati po kanyang YouTube channel. So huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe po sa kanya. At syempre huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe din po sa aking channel. Hit niyo po yung notification bell at i-like po ang video na to. At huwag niyo rin pong kalimutan na i-follow din po ako sa aking Facebook page na Alam Nyo Ba. At dito na rin po tayo nagtatapos. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Ingat po tayo lagi and God bless us all. Bye-bye.